Hi, and welcome to Trendy Natural Remedies. Today I'm going to tell you about a drink that helps eliminate knee and joint pains. Many people believe that pain in their joints is normal and it's just a part of aging. This is why people, while feeling uncomfortable and miserable, dismiss the pains in their elbows, knees and hands as natural and think that it will soon pass. However, joint pain is in fact a medical condition that needs urgent attention. If left untreated, chronic knee pain can cause permanent damage and shifting of the kneecap. This is known as patellar tracking disorder, where the kneecap shifts too far outside the leg. Moreover, the body experiences stress when it continuously feels pain. This can lead to other health issues. In this video, we will discuss a natural remedy that can treat the problem in just a matter of days. You don't need to tolerate the pain. What you need is a natural remedy that will prevent joint and knee pain if you regularly drink it. Excessive use, strenuous activities, and normal wear and tear of muscle tissues are the main causes of knee pain. A lack of iron, calcium, and vitamin D can also cause pain in the joints. People who lack calcium are also at a higher risk of joint inflammation, arthritis, and loss of bone mass when aging. The first step is to gauge the level of pain and how long it lasts. If you experience pain in your knees for more than a week, you should seek medical attention since the underlying cause may be more serious than just overuse. At the same time, you need to increase your intake of bromelain, magnesium, and vitamins. A smoothie made with orange juice, pineapple, and cinnamon is the natural remedy that satisfies these dietary requirements. The smoothie is rich with these nutrients. Plus, vitamin C from the oranges and pineapples have excellent anti-inflammatory effects. Besides boosting the immune system, this vitamin keeps your bones healthy. The bromelain in pineapples relaxes swollen body parts due to its anti-inflammatory properties. This in turn reduces the pain by relieving the friction in the bones, ligaments, and muscles. Lastly, cinnamon regulates blood flow and helps it to circulate more efficiently. Here are the ingredients that you will need to prepare the smoothie. 1 glass of orange juice, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of diced pineapple, 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 cup of rolled oats. And here is how you make it. Cook the oatmeal in 2 cups of water for a few minutes. Turn off the heat when the oatmeal becomes soft and well cooked. Now combine all ingredients, including the cooked oats, in a blender. Mix them together until nice and smooth. You can also add more water to achieve your preferred thickness. Drink the smoothie once a day to achieve the best results. You will feel a huge difference in just 5 to 7 days of drinking this, as it brings total relief from knee and joint pains. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.